Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook purple rice. First, measure out 1 cup of purple rice. Then, rinse it thoroughly under cold, running water. Continue rinsing until the water that drains from the rice appears clear, which usually takes about 3 to 4 rinses. This crucial step helps remove any excess starch and ensures your rice cooks up perfectly, preventing it from becoming too sticky. Make sure to use a fine mesh sieve so you don't lose any precious grains. After rinsing, it's time to soak your purple rice. Place the 1 cup of rinsed rice into a bowl and add 2 cups of fresh water. Let it soak for a minimum of 30 minutes. Soaking is a fantastic step because it helps the rice absorb water evenly, leading to a more consistent and tender texture when cooked. If you prefer an even softer grain, you can extend the soaking time up to 4 hours. Now let's cook. Transfer your soaked rice and its soaking water into a medium-sized pot. If you didn't soak, use 1 3/4 cups of fresh water for 1 cup of rice. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. Do not lift the lid during this time. Once the cooking time is complete, turn off the heat but keep the pot covered. Allow the rice to rest undisturbed for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is vital as it allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly fluffy grains. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the purple rice with a fork to separate the grains. Serve your delicious and vibrant purple rice as a nutritious side dish or as part of your favorite meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.